ia, Bethan ydw i, dwi'n dod o'r Bari a dwi wedi bod yn dysgu Cymraeg am fis nawr. It was my New Year's resolution to learn Welsh again. So I learned it at school, but I hadn't spoken it in maybe 15 years, I think, since I did my GCSEs. And yeah, I was inspired to do it again this year. I've been going for a month now, and I would absolutely recommend Say Something in Welsh. I've been doing one challenge per day, which is quite a lot, I suppose, but you don't need to do that much. But I'm already able to have a conversation with Welsh speakers, so yeah, it's really exciting, and stuff is coming back to me. It's like it feels almost like magic, because like even stuff that I haven't learned yet in the challenges is coming back to me from my GCSEs, which was ages ago. So yeah, it's really exciting to be able to use my Welsh again so quickly, and yeah, I'm looking forward to improving further. And the people online, like the community around it, there's plenty of support out there and people to talk to. And I live in Barcelona, I'm not in Wales anymore. So I've practiced a lot online via Zoom, and that's been wonderful. So yeah, I definitely recommend it.